the other car approaching. When they pulled him from the wreckage, mangled blood soaked through his clothing, and your motorbike's in pieces left at the scene of the crime. You said you had a premonition on the night before he died. You said, I'm not superstitious, while you drew the shutters tight to shield your bedroom from the bar. Now that it tortured you all night, and you sealed his jacket in a Ziploc bag. You didn't wash the stains, and it's still somewhere in the attic, or at least that's what you say. You're hanging on to what you have, but you know he's not getting better, so you threw away the birthday card made by my little sister, 'cause the stickers were unlucky. When the neighbor's heart gave out, you blamed it on that piece of paper in the bin outside your house. But you don't believe in God. At least that's what you claim. But you still go to church and bow your head for grace. Met him at the hospital, an Army veteran, and you wrote letters after 2 months, packed your things and moved back in. As a teen, he shot out streetlights with the kids in his hometown, and now you lock the doors in case he gets confused and wanders out. And now you know about the injections, caught me in the drugstore line. Although you never brought it up, I think you looked it up online. And I'm so tall I have to stoop down just to look you in the eyes. Did you anticipate this underwhelming ending to your life? And when I picture the scene, you look a lot like me. At night, you toss and turn. You're waiting on the bird. You're waiting on the bird. You're waiting on the bird. You're waiting on the bird.